Defence Minister Rajnath Singh with the US Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard there. They've just held a meeting, and now images coming in also of the two sides sitting down with officials down to business essentially. This is a meeting that's happening right now in South Block. Top global spy chiefs coming together in India. Tulsi Gabbard is currently on a two-day visit to the country. The first visit by any top official of the Trump team since, of course, Trump took charge for his second term. So obviously the spotlight is on this particular visit, the tangible takeaways. Yesterday you had Gabbard also meeting with the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval as well, where reportedly in their one-on-one meet there were discussions particularly on intelligence sharing, working closely in the security domain as well to ensure that our strategic partnership between India and US is also boosted. These are live images that we're getting to you right now, and Gabbard, of course, is someone very familiar with the Indian administration, also very familiar with Indian customs, Indian tradition. So it's rather fitting that she is, in fact, the first representative from Team Trump to actually be in India, to be talking to, in fact, the Indian government on our strategic partnership right now. Post this, Tulsi Gabbard will also be, in fact, giving the keynote address at the Raisina Dialogue. So power-packed visit this 2 days where, of course, there's non-stop huddles, discussions with key members of the Indian government, and also, of course, she is going to be at the Raisina Dialogue. Let's take this across to Shivani for more details. Shivani, live images coming in of the meeting between Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard. Any details we've really been able to pick up on what the focus areas were in this meeting?
Akshita, the meeting is very important, and we can see the visuals of Tulsi Gabbard meeting Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. As I was telling you previously also, the meeting is about how to gather intelligence together for security enhancements of both the countries, not only in their own area or region, but in the Indo-Pacific region too, and also to counter terrorism. That's what been the focus of India and United States together. We know that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh had recently visited US, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had visited US, and after taking over as the DNI, Tulsi Gabbard is visiting India for the first time. Definitely it's very important to mention out here that India and United States are moving ahead to take their defense ties in a very strong manner now, and in terms of intelligence gathering, technological changes, the exchanges between India and United States, they are all very important, and these discussions that are going on will be countering all these challenges together. Between India and United States, they will be planning together to counter the terrorism that they are facing, not only on their respective lands, but in the Indo-Pacific region too, where we see a lot of muscle flexing being done by China also. So this is an important meeting where Tulsi Gabbard and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, they are discussing how to go about and take this partnership, especially in the security and intelligence sharing domain ahead. And we know that Tulsi Gabbard, she's already met the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval along with the other leaders from the world who are the intelligence heads of their respective countries. So this is an important meeting where for 2.5 days Tulsi Gabbard is going to be in India. She will also be going to other nations after she concludes her visit in India, and tomorrow she will be speaking in the Raisina Dialogue. So we all have to see whether there will be an official release of these meetings that have happened yesterday and today with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. But the sources are definitely indicating, Akshita, that this is an important meeting where India and United States are moving ahead on a plan to share intelligence, to cooperate in terms of security enhancement, and to take the defense ties ahead and to counter terrorism.
Okay, thanks very much, Shivani, for joining us with those details. Those images on your screens, again highlighting for you the warmth between the two leaders, the warmth also in the India-US relationship. Remember that we were just talking about how Donald Trump has also shared Prime Minister Modi's podcast, and Prime Minister Modi in that podcast also put the spotlight on his friendship with the US President, with Donald Trump. And so for the first high-ranking official of Team Trump to come down to India for this 2-day visit, there will be a lot of focus really on what this means for the strategic partnership between India and US. yes, like I said, fitting really that it is Tulsi Gabbard whose ties with India, of course, well known that she is the first representative from the Trump team to be touching down in India. She reached yesterday and met with also NSA Ajit Doval. Let's just put the focus on that also, Shivani, of what really was discussed in that meeting yesterday. There was, of course, a global conclave of sorts that took place in Delhi. But before that, there was also a one-on-one that took place between Tulsi Gabbard and NSA Doval, in which reportedly there was a lot of discussion held particularly on strengthening intelligence sharing between the two countries, between India and the United States. So we'll have to see really what was discussed in this meeting between Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard. Shivani is back with us. Shivani, also just putting the spotlight briefly on the meeting that took place yesterday between Gabbard and NSA Doval. What really was the big talking point from that meeting?
Akshita, the big talking point, as I've been saying, that India and United States, they are moving ahead to share and cooperate in terms of intelligence sharing and their security enhancements together to counter terrorism. That has been the biggest challenge that India has been facing since decades now. And not only on its own borders, India has been cooperating and fighting terrorism across the world wherever and however it can. And when it comes to United States, Tulsi Gabbard, who's just taken over as the DNI, she has special ties with India. She knows a number of leaders out here. She's been visiting India. So this visit is certainly special in terms of her visiting here as the DNI chief, where she is trying to meet all the leaders from the country, be it Defence Minister Rajnath Singh or the NSA, where she discussed at length how India and United States will be moving ahead, and they will improvise onto their intelligence sharing capabilities to enhance the security, and they will also be taking the defence ties ahead. That's what is indicative of today's meeting, when Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard are meeting in the South Block, where Tulsi Gabbard and Rajnath Singh are discussing about strengthening the defence ties. And in this defence domain, it is very important to mention that intelligence sharing is the most important area. And India and United States have already been into agreements, several agreements in terms of sharing of intelligence between both the countries, countering terrorism. We've been seeing a number of bilateral exercises that India holds with not only the US Army but also the US Navy. So India and United States intend to take this technology, cooperation, intelligence sharing together ahead and to strengthen their defence ties. So today's meeting is important, where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard are discussing a number of these issues where India and US have to move ahead in terms of enhancing their defence partnerships, their strategic partnership, their countering the terrorism together, and the technology that is moving at a very fast pace, how India and United States can collaborate in terms of this technology sharing and intelligence sharing. So this is a very good sign, where we see Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Tulsi Gabbard having a long meeting, and before this meeting, NSA Ajit Doval along with the other leaders and Tulsi Gabbard had a very good, fruitful meeting that we got to know. So this was a very positive meeting, and today's meeting also is around this defence collaboration between India and United States. And tomorrow we know that Tulsi Gabbard has to speak at the Raisina Dialogue. That happens to be a major event that happens annually in the national capital. And this 2.5-day meeting will take the defence partnership, the countering terrorism by both the countries ahead to new heights. That's what the analysts and the experts are also indicating. So an important meeting underway at South Block, and before this meeting, Tulsi Gabbard has already met NSA Ajit Doval.
Okay, as Shivani gets us details really of what transpired in that meeting yesterday and today's meeting, where Tulsi Gabbard is meeting with Rajnath Singh. Also important to highlight here, Shivani, that this meeting comes just a month after Prime Minister Modi had visited America, had met with Gabbard too, along with several other high-ranking officials. Today, you've had Prime Minister Modi in that podcast putting the focus right now on also what's happened as far as, his friendship with Trump goes. Let me bring in right now Manjeet for more details on the meeting that took place yesterday between NSA Doval and Tulsi Gabbard. Manjeet, it's over to you. Get us really the big highlights.
Well, the NSG Doval and Tulsi Gabbard held a one-on-one meeting for an hour, and we discussed the multiple issues related to the intel cooperation between the two countries. Especially the two sides have had discussion on the AI and the cyber security and the intel cooperation between US and India. And in the recent context on the Russia-Ukraine war, and especially in the intel related to terrorism, including the in around of India. NSA also had a share with the conference hosted by the India on the yesterday, which is expected to discuss the many issues between the friendly countries. And currently the Tulsi Gabbard meeting with the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and Tulsi Gabbard also will meet Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Okay, Manjeet, thanks for those details.